3 reasons why you should go for a scan when you are pregnant. I am always faced with this question. What is the importance of going for a scan when finally you would give birth to your baby? Why should I go to do a scan and just waste my money? So in this video, I'll be telling you 3 major reasons why you go for a scan when you are pregnant. I understand where you're coming from when you say that scan is not important because, of course, even if we see anything that is wrong with the baby in the womb, probably you will not get any help during pregnancy until the baby comes. But after watching this video, I'm sure you're going to change your mind and then start going for ultrasound. Make sure you go for the ones that are recommended by your doctor. If you want to go for extra scans, it is still okay. The major reason why you go for scan when you're pregnant is to help your healthcare professionals plan for the delivery. I know that some people don't know that delivery of a baby is planned, but yes, it is. It is very important to plan for the delivery. Are you going to be delivering naturally or through cesarean section? Going for a scan will help in that preparation. For example, a woman who has placenta previa is going to prepare for cesarean section, but a woman whose baby is head down, measuring okay, does not have placenta previa, will prepare her mind for a natural delivery. If you love what I do here, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and also like it. I speak about everything fertility and I use my platform to enlighten women everything about their reproductive health. So have you seen now that going for a scan is important in that aspect to help your healthcare providers know which method of delivery they are going to ask you to go for? Remember, you're always the one that will make the decision, but they will be there to guide you to make the right decision. The number 2 reason why you go for scan when you're pregnant is to identify if the baby has any anomalies that can affect them later in life. Just imagine giving birth to a baby that has spina bifida without knowing that that child had that condition when they were in the womb. You are not prepared physically, you are not prepared mentally, you are not prepared emotionally to take care of a special needs child. So if you had known this information before you gave birth, then you might have gotten yourself into groups, communities that can support you. You might have spoken to a professional. You might have even prepared for therapy. But if you don't go for a scan, you're not going to have that information. I've had cases where women don't go for any scan, give birth to a baby, and find out that the child is special needs just for them to leave the child at the hospital. Something that they would have made the decision earlier than then. So why did you leave it up to the point where you have given birth to your baby before letting the baby go because you didn't have enough information about what is happening to the child? Number 3 is it makes you to form a very good bond with your baby. Now, you are going to meet this little one in few months' time. You don't know what to expect. A lot of emotions running through your mind. Going for that ultrasound is going to reassure you that they are okay. It's also going to make you to have the first bond experience with your baby. Looking at that screen and seeing them move. As a sonographer, there is nothing as special as seeing a woman like cry when she sees her baby's heartbeat on ultrasound, and also be able to see them move in their womb. Like, I've not seen something as special as that, and I'm sure that it is an experience that a lot of people want to have. If you don't want to have that experience, that's fine. Like I said earlier, you are the one making the decision. You are the one who will say what would happen. However, I hope that these 3 major reasons why you go for an ultrasound will convince you to go for your next scan. Remember, when we see something on ultrasound, it doesn't necessarily mean that you will get help immediately, but it will help your healthcare providers to plan on how to take care of your child at the time when you give birth to them. There are many other reasons why you can go for scan. Some people go for scan to know the gender of their baby, to know the weight of their baby. You know, all those things are embedded in these 3 reasons that I've given in this video. Will you go for scan next time? Or you still believe that scan is not necessary? I'm still your Mongo Nation president, and I will see you all in my next video.